How to watch live football on YouTube TV with promo code. Step number 1. Subscribe to YouTube TV base plan. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels like CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, which broadcast various football games. Step number 2. Add NFL Sunday Ticket. To access out-of-market NFL games, add the NFL Sunday Ticket to your YouTube TV subscription. Look for promotional offers, such as discounted pricing on NFL Sunday Ticket for new subscribers. For example, $89 per year instead of the regular $209 price. Step number 3, utilize free trials. New YouTube TV customers can take advantage of a 21-day free trial, allowing you to test the service and access live football games before committing. Step number 4, explore bundled offers. Check for bundling options. For example, YouTube TV offers discounts when bundled with other services like Max. This bundle provides access to additional content alongside live football coverage. Step number 5, look for seasonal promotions. Monitor special deals during events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. For instance, YouTube TV has previously offered new subscribers $49.99 per month for the first 2 months during such sales. Step number 6, check eligibility for special discounts. Some groups, like military personnel, may qualify for additional discounts. YouTube TV often partners with ID.me to offer special pricing for eligible users. Step number 7, monitor promotional periods. Keep track of time-sensitive promotions, such as discounts on NFL Sunday Ticket. For example, the $100 discount on NFL Sunday Ticket was available until December 2nd, 2024. Step number 8, combine offers for maximum savings. Combine multiple promotions like a discounted NFL Sunday Ticket and the YouTube TV base plan promotion for comprehensive football coverage at a lower cost.